Nice, very comfortable. They have a red room on board.
On this week's episode of Exploring with Katie, The Whale, not starring America's sweetheart Brendan Fraser.
Try to follow different groups till we find one that is a little more active so we can get to see different behaviors. So we're gonna speed up a little more. People that have hats on, make them tired.
I had to find this whale, the one Pinocchio talked about. But I wasn't the only one. If anyone was gonna find this whale, it was gonna be me. I searched the seas high and low. Boat, another boat, a whale. A whale!
Coming this way, I get him.
Magnificent. Swaying in the ocean, swaying, swaying. I got seasick. That concludes this week's episode of Exploring with Katie. I can't go to my room yet. I need to hang out here. Tune in next week. Something always happens.